Guys, we are back in the forest and today we're gonna build our second platform, which is gonna be exactly the same like the one we built last time, but a little bit bigger of course. And we're gonna start by putting up the frames, which we did on the other platform as well. And yeah, enjoy it guys! First fit. Oh man, looks pretty good.
Fits in perfectly. Just wiggle it a little bit. Wiggle, wiggle.
Looks good.
Looks good so far.
Very nice. Very nice, man.
So that's how we will construct the second floor. Basically, these are the supporting beams which we will put on top of this first floor, and these will carry the second floor. So we have to do that 8 more times.
Love it.
Is also here. All these screws are broken.
Oh, this was lots.
Almost all.
Alright, will do. Alright guys, so we had a dead branch here and we decided to remove it and to get all the dirty stuff out of the tree.
Yeah, there was all moldy and wet stuff in there, so we got all of that out.
And we built the cover that we put in front of here, so no fresh rain or stuff can get in there and the tree is safe again.
So a little bit of tree first aid has happened here. There is one more hole, but that's not as deep as the other one, so we decided not to cover that up right now. We will see how that develops, but maybe we'll cover it up later. Let's see.
So yesterday we were tinkering around what we're gonna do for the walls and we came up with this beam and frame situation here, which matches the platform down here below, and we're gonna build it all the way around our second platform so we can actually put our planks for the walls on the outside, and that's what we're gonna do today.
So let's do it.
Let's do it.
It almost looks like a house now.
Almost.
It's really a mess up here with all the planks and the wood, but look at that roof. Okay guys, this is an interesting moment because now we're gonna see if our roof will hold up or will it collapse. That's the question now, because we're removing the pillar.
Let me stand here, because if it's gonna crush down,
It's landing on my head. I'm a little bit terrified, I must admit.
it looks good so far.
Looking good, bro.
Looking good.
I can't believe it. All of that structure is holding up without the pillar in the middle.
And it's
That's crazy.
really tight.
Man, we did it. That looks so good.
Amazing.